Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Usono ProbeFix Dynamic. In this video we'll guide you through the setup and application. Let's get started. Ensure you have all the necessary components, including the ProbeFix Dynamic itself, one or multiple adapters and straps. You'll get two 50 and two 80 cm straps with each purchase. Please note that in this video our ProbeFix Dynamic is being displayed. We also have a Pro version, but we'll show you the differences in a later video. Now we'll show and tell you how to correctly fit a probe in the ProbeFix. Each adapter is specifically designed and 3D printed for each specific brand and probe. Because of this, we need to know what device and probe you're working with to give you the best experience with ProbeFix. For this demonstration, we'll use the V-Scan Air by GE Healthcare and a matching adapter. This probe will only fit exactly into this adapter. To be able to fit the probe into the adapter, first take out the adapter and the top silicone ring. You can take out the adapter by pressing these two hooks. Take out the top silicone ring as well. And as you can see, there are two extruding markers that will align with the edges from the adapter itself. Now you can put the probe into the adapter from the top. Make sure to align the marker of the probe with the matching notch from the bottom silicone ring. Please note that this will be different for each specific ultrasound brand. When viewed from below, it should be 100% fit. After putting the probe into the adapter, you can place the silicone ring back on top. You should hear two small clicks when pressing it in again, and these two edges should be visible. Place the probe and the adapter back into the base until you hear another two clicks. After this, you're almost ready to start scanning dynamically. If you have all the components, you're ready to attach it to your patient's body. Make sure your patient is in a suitable position to allow you to locate the optimal scan location. When you find the optimal location, mark it by simply using a skin marker or by pressing the probe gently onto your patient's skin. The latter will leave a brief mark on the skin. Place the center of the ProbeFix over the chosen scan location and secure the straps around the leg to the other side of the ProbeFix. Note that the straps should be attached on both sides and not go over the ProbeFix itself. You can then place the ProbeFix into the adapter again until you hear two clicks. If more pressure is required, simply tighten the straps simultaneously. If you don't simultaneously tighten the straps, the probe will be pulled to one side. So remember to tighten the straps simultaneously. You can secure the probe by closing the lock on the side. When the lock isn't secured, you can easily rotate the probe in a transverse and longitudinal plane or any other angle you need. You can even take the probe out to scan a different location. If you're satisfied with the view, fix the angle by pushing the lock down again and the probe will be secured and won't move anymore. When not fully satisfied with the view, you can make minor changes to the probe location by simply lifting and repositioning the entire ProbeFix. We call this a lift and drop. If you don't lift and drop, the probe will automatically return to its original position. And with the lift and drop, we came to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and we hope this video has been informative. For more details and questions, visit our website or contact our customer support. Good luck and enjoy dynamic scanning.